What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to stop Windows from limiting, from removing our internet speed into a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to our Windows Start panel. Into the search, we're gonna search for network, just like this, net. And we're gonna click on View Network Connections, okay? Go to Ethernet, your computer must be on the cable to this to be effective, and click with the right button of your mouse over Ethernet, and go to Properties. Once on Properties, we're gonna go to Configure, just like this. Into this tab, let's start with Power Management, this tab, unmark this option, then go to Advanced. And right here, we're going to be able to see a couple of options. This is speed and duplex, okay? We're going to click and make sure that you have it on the most possible, on the biggest possible number, okay? Then turn off speed of calling, okay? You can set this as off. And the power management, power saving mode, set this as off as well. Then all you have to do is click on OK and you are good to go. Click on OK again into the next tab and you are good to go. Computer gonna be faster. Try, test your internet and let me know into the comments if it helps you or not. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.